And we'll pull the truck back. I already did. I did do all 8 injectors on the truck now, and the other side oil reel, so it starts up real quick and it runs good right now. I'm gonna get under here cleaned up because under my carport is pretty dirty, and we'll get the G37 vacuumed and the truck vacuumed and everything cleaned up today. So that's what I'm doing for my Sunday, cleaning up the truck and the car. This car is pretty dirty, so we'll get the inside vacuumed up. But before we do that, about to clean the carport, because I got work to do under here and it's pretty dirty. I see one carpet stain and barely anything in here. It's pretty clean already. So I'm just gonna get the leather conditioned, cleaned and conditioned, and clean the floor mats and vacuum it up. For my floor mats, I just sprayed them down with some cheap Armor All leather care, and that keeps them looking decent. Now let's rub that in and it'll be looking back black. A little stain right there, so I'm gonna try this turtle wax carpet cleaner to get it cleaned. Carpet stain is gone. That worked pretty quickly. I didn't even wait or anything, I just put it on there and scrubbed it off. So there's one carpet stain there, so I'll clean that off. And that'll be it for this side. Then I'll put the mat back in. And this side looks good. That's the only bad thing with light interior. It gets pretty dirty easily, but this cleaner takes care of it pretty quick. It worked pretty good right there. This ledge was dirty, now it's clean. I'm gonna be cleaning the inside of the truck, which is a lot dirtier. Haven't cleaned it since I took the bed off and all that. So there's a lot of junk in here. I vacuumed it, but the inside is full of stains. There's stains everywhere. I somehow got oil stain on this side. On the other side, it looks like a bunch of coffee. I don't know if the spot cleaner will work on this. If we get this oil stain out. This stuff works pretty good. Alright, this worked actually pretty well. And I'm gonna do all of the floor with it. So that's gonna take some time. Sprayed the coffee stain and now I'm about to scrub it out. It came out pretty quick. The other side is pretty much done, just this side left and the back seat. So I did that side, but this side all has to be done still. and the coffee stain is pretty much almost gone. How the carpet is looking after fully done cleaning it. I use this little brush right here to get in all the cracks, and everything looks pretty good. It's the first time I've ever cleaned the carpet since owning the truck. That coffee stand is probably 5 years old. I do need a little bit more cleaner to go over some spots to get it perfectly clean, but it's looking really nice right now. Way better than before. Took about an hour to do this. I ran out of cleaner. If I didn't run out of cleaner, I probably could have got it perfectly clean with a second application, but it's looking a lot better. The stains are barely visible now. So now I'm about to just clean my floor mats and throw them back in, and then clean all the leather seats with my leather cleaner and then leather conditioner. And that'll be it for the truck. 37 is all cleaned up inside. All the floor mats are clean, all the leather is cleaned. The G37 is all clean and rinsed and it's ready to go. So I'll park it back under the carport. I cleaned the carport so it's not as dirty anymore. And there's no sun out, so shouldn't really get water spots. And we're parked. Onto the truck. Pull it forward. It's time to wash this truck. Really needs a wash because it's super dirty. I haven't washed it. I've only just pressure washed it. I've never washed it properly in a while. I gotta get out this emblem. I got a replacement for it. I gotta get that one off. Raise up the wipers. These wipers are beat. Gotta change that one and the other one. Time to soap this thing down. Alright, everything's looking clean now. Floor mats are back in, and just having clean carpet makes the truck look so much cleaner inside. G37, I'm probably going to end up doing the rear subframe bushings and rear differential bushings is the next on this car. But before I do any of that stuff, I want to get the M3 exhaust done and get the power steering leak fixed on this car so it's back up and running.